Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Rod in Maryland. 97 S320. I believe it is 97 S320. Yes, it is 97 S320 door lock pump. And just repaired it. I just want to show the operation. Okay, Rod, so first off, this pump came, your pump came with broken nipples. These little nipples over here, the ends, they're important to be intact. So these were broken, so I put in my own, so you can connect your hoses, the ones that are in the vehicle, to these nipples. So these pipes were installed over, and you can connect your nipples to these pipes. Although when you will be connecting them, okay, you want to make sure that, for example, this is the manifold from the older vehicle, but the actual pipe that you're gonna have on the vehicle is going to have this sort of shape, okay? It's similar to this shape. You can get some more lights over here like this. So it's going to have a shape like this. The tip of broken nipple, this very tip could have been stuck. It might be stuck inside the opening. So make sure that you remove the tip out first, because if you will not, then there will be no space for these two to click in together, and you might break this particular tip. So make sure that you check if you have any pieces left inside your pipe that's on the vehicle side. I put these on because I don't want people to cut off original pipes that are on the vehicle. They're very difficult to replace, they're very long. You can put an adapter, of course, but still, rather than just having it cut off the car, I just put these inserts so you will be able to connect the original pipe without any cutting to the pump. Okay, so let's get to the next stage here. The motor was dead. I mean, it was totally burnt out. There was lots of deposits inside the pump. I did replace the main supply hose inside the pump because it was also weak, and I deactivated your pressure circuit. So for example, right now the pump is energized, the vacuum circuit is not leaking, so I can demonstrate it by pulling the vacuum pipe off. As you can see, the pipe is on the that port right there is on the vacuum, because that's the vacuum circuit. I left it be, but the pressure circuit is deactivated now, so there will be no issues with lumbar leaking, lumbar supports leak. So that is just fine, so we'll just shut that off. Although it does not leak internally in the pump, but it might be leaking on the vehicle side, so not to burn this pump again, I deactivate that port. So next thing is the pressure and vacuum. So we have, let me just get this in focus. Okay, so the pressure and vacuum, the gauge is upside down, but it doesn't matter. So basically we just need to get somewhere 0.5 on each ends. Let me try to get you a little better look off a gauge. For now, at least I'm gonna show, well, something, well, I guess something like this, so you can actually see the gauge. So I'm going to lock and unlock the car, and we're going to see the pressure and vacuum. Vacuum is to lock the vehicle, pressure is to unlock. Pressure goes that way, clockwise, counterclockwise is our vacuum. So 0.5 to 0.5 each directions, that's perfect. So let's do this is the locking. As you can see, we reached about, okay, I'll go like this. This gauge is not super accurate though. Okay, this came loose a little bit. This is all my makeshift stuff. So we reach about 0.6, which is perfect. Unlocking reaches like 0.8. This is very good. Vacuum usually is okay, but pressure usually suffers. In your case, this goes to like 0.8, which is, that's a lot. That's good. So, locking, unlocking. The next, we're going to check our trunk handle. The trunk handle is the one that comes out from the trunk, so you can grab it, so you don't have to get dirty if the trunk lid is dirty. So, as you can see, it's bidirectional. It goes back and forth. So, handle is retracted. I mean, extended. Now handle is retracted. So, as you can see, I activate it. See, I hold the connection so the handle is still out. It's still extended. I let go. Handle is retracted. Pressure vacuum, all is good. And the last circuit here is FKS. Now, on your car it's going to be headrest releases. As you can see, headrest release works great. Holds vacuum for a little bit. One more time. So headrest release also works. So this pump is operational. It is basically ready to go. It works great. I have no problems with it. Alright, so this is all for now. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.